Ever wondered if you could actually make $500 a day online without spending a dime up front? I know it sounds way too good to be true, but stick around, because today I'm breaking down a realistic roadmap for hitting that $500 target, all without needing to invest a single dollar. First things first, let's get real. No magic buttons, no sketchy apps, just legit methods that pay if you're willing to put in the time and effort. So, let's dive in. Option 1. Freelance services. The gig economy is booming, and websites like Upwork and Fiverr let you list just about any skill you can offer. Think writing, graphic design, social media management, even voiceovers. You don't need fancy equipment to start, just your laptop and some hustle. If you land high-paying gigs, hitting $100 a day is very possible. 5 days like that, and you've got your $500. Here's a pro tip. Pick one niche and get really good at it. Stand out from the crowd. Build up your reviews, deliver top-notch work, and watch those bigger projects roll in. Option 2. Print on demand. I love this one because it's totally free to start. Use sites like Merch by Amazon, Redbubble, or Teespring. Upload your designs to t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, whatever you want. Every time someone buys your design, you get paid a commission. If you can create even simple text-based designs, you're in business. The key? Upload consistently. The more you post, the better your odds. Third up, affiliate marketing. You don't need a blog or a big audience to start. Use free social media accounts like TikTok or Instagram. Pick a product you believe in, share it with your followers, and use your affiliate link. Every sale through your link earns you a commission. Focus on products with high payouts. Think software, online courses, or even Amazon's affiliate program. Number 4. Flipping free stuff. This one's old school but still powerful. Check out Craigslist's free section, Facebook Marketplace, or local classifieds. People give away things all the time. Furniture, electronics, collectibles. Grab what's in good shape, clean it up, and resell it for a profit. With some luck and good finds, you can make $100 or more per item. And finally, content creation. Yep, even without a dollar, you can start a YouTube channel, TikTok, or even a podcast using just your smartphone. Share your journey, teach something you know, or document a challenge. As your views grow, you can make money from ads, sponsorships, or fan support like Patreon. So, is it easy? Nope. Is it possible? Absolutely. If you stick to it, stay consistent, and keep learning, $500 a day is totally within reach, even if you're starting from zero. Ready to get started? Let's hustle.